Hi, my routine. My name is Eva Avila and I am 21 years old. Since I had to work every day, I always get up early in the morning at about 5 a.m. Then I take a shower and brush my teeth before having breakfast. I often had breakfast at home, but sometimes I don't have time to do it. I always take a multitasking to go to work. I am a language teacher and I usually spend there at least 6 hours at school. During that time, I teach children and I take a break to eat hunting. Then I continued attending classes and lunch time and sometimes go home. But I seldom had lunch at home because of the time due to the fact that I'm fat to go to class to second because I study linguistics there. So I go almost every day to second as well. There I attend classes and spend time with some friends. I also eat something there as a nut and from time to time I study a little bit. I usually I usually I usually get home at about 10 p.m. and take a shower. After that, I cook my dinner and eat. Once in a while, I scan for a delivery because I am too tired to cook. I've hardly ever had a flatting from Monday to Friday. On weekend, I meet with my best friend. She lives near my house. She is so special with me because she wouldn't mind to spend all day long beside me. We frequently go out to take extra out, out and to enjoy and have a great time together. On some days, we tend to go to the movies after finish my time at home. I never do sport or work out because I don't have time to do so. Thank you.